Do you want to know about your nose?
Yeah?
Your nose has nose hairs that clean your nose if you move your jaw. What I'm doing? Talking. That moves your jaw. And also, your nose has lots of tiny hairs that you cannot see. Those tiny hairs take care of your nose. And also, there's earwax in your ear. The earwax cleans the ear. And also, the earwax disappears if you move your jaw.
I'll show you. Show your jaw.
And also, if you talk, it's disappearing. Okay, so bye. That's facts about nose and ears. Bye.
Don't use Q-tips.
Don't use Q-tips on your ears.
Francis, look.
Don't use Q-tips on your ears. If you do, your eardrum will get hurt.
Damage.
And that means you cannot hear it now.
Mm-hmm.
So bye.